If you're trying to unlock GOG, there are really two different situations, and I'm going to walk you through both in this video. First, if your GOG account is locked or you can't log in, I'll show you the quickest way to get back in. And second, if a game you already own looks locked, I'll show you how to fix that too. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting tutorials. Alright, let's get started. If you cannot log into your GOG account, the first thing to do is go to the GOG login page. Once you're there, look for the Forgot Password option and click it. This is the fastest way to regain access if the issue is related to your password or a security lock on your account. GOG will ask you to enter the email address connected to your account, so type that in carefully and submit the request. After that, check your email inbox for the password reset message from GOG. If you do not see it right away, make sure to check your spam, junk, or promotions folder as well. Once you find the email, open it and follow the reset link. Create a new password that is strong, secure, and different from the one you used before. Then save the changes and return to the login page. Now try logging in again with your updated password. In many cases, that is all you need to do to unlock your GOG account and get back in. If the login still does not work, or if the account is still showing as locked, then the next step is to contact GOG Support directly. They can review the account and help you resolve any access issues on their side. Now let's talk about the other situation, because sometimes people say a GOG game is locked when the account is actually fine. If you already purchased the game, remember that GOG games do not need activation codes once they are owned. So if the game looks locked, the fix is usually just to access it correctly inside GOG Galaxy. Open GOG Galaxy first. Once the app loads, go to your owned games library, find the game you want to unlock, then click on it. From there, select Install or Download. That is the normal process for accessing a game you already own on GOG. There is no separate activation step required for purchased GOG titles, so if you own it, you should simply be able to install it and play. If the game still appears unavailable, make sure you are signed into the correct GOG account, because the game may be tied to a different account than the one you're currently using. Also double check your internet connection and refresh the library if needed. In most cases though, selecting the game from your owned library and choosing install is enough to unlock access. So to quickly recap, if your GOG account is locked or you can't log in, go to the login page, use Forgot Password, reset your password, and try again. If your game is already purchased and looks locked, open GOG Galaxy, go to Owned Games, click the game, and install or download it. And if you still can't get in, contact GOG Support for help. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe for more troubleshooting guides, and I'll see you in the next one.